I'm Carey Thomason. I'm with MB Electrical. I've been an electrician for 18 years now. Fairly early. Electrician will be able to tell you whether or not your switchboard will be able to cope with your renovations, check your wiring out and give you some budgets before you start coming up with plans, because if you've got to replace your switchboard, you could be up $2,000 or $3,000 really quickly. If your wiring is shot, thousands and thousands, and you just need to be prepared for that right from the start. Thinking they can add power points or light switches here and there, but not worry about their switchboard. Switchboards in most houses, if you're renovating, your house is probably more than 20 years old and you won't have RCD protection, or you could still have old fuse wire, and all of that needs to be replaced. To get your electrician in, come and have a look. Just see where your house is sitting at the moment. Let you know if there's going to be any majors that you need to look at or to think about before you start renovating. Common issues would be that the switchboard doesn't have MCB protection at a minimum, often no RCDs. Quite often in the older homes, we'll come in and find that the cabling is really old and started to perish. Often really old homes might only have one power point per bedroom or one power point in the living room, and there's multi-boxes all interconnected together, which sort of creates a bit of a dangerous situation. Making sure you've got RCDs and circuit breakers in your switchboard, that you don't still have fuse wire in your circuit board. Making sure none of your power points are discoloured or have black lines around them, showing that they may have had a flash before. You want to make sure all your plugs and leads for your appliances are still in good condition. Quite often the old power cords will be a bit frayed and you can almost see the red and black and green wires underneath them. Always to make sure that you test your smoke alarms regularly. At a minimum, every 6 months, I would test them. If you see anything wrong, if you've got any circuit breakers that trip, say more than once in 6 months, I would be straight on to your electrician and get them to come and check it out. It's really important that if you've got any doubts in the electrical in your home, that you get onto your electrician really quickly and just get them to come and check things out, because it's not just your house, it's you and your family's safety that you've got to worry about.